Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to connect Lyft Driver App to your Tesla. Quick setup for Bluetooth map and controls.
1. Connect Lyft Driver App to Tesla Bluetooth. Step 1. Open your Tesla's touchscreen. Step 2. Tap Controls, Bluetooth, add new device. Step 3. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and select your Tesla from the available devices. Step 4. Confirm the pairing code on both your Tesla screen and phone. 2. Set up Lyft navigation on Tesla screen. Step 1. Open the Lyft Driver app on your phone. Step 2. Go to Settings Navigation and select Tesla Google Maps if available. Step 3. Start a ride request in the Lyft app. The route should now display on your Tesla's screen, if Tesla supports it. 3. Control music and calls via Tesla. Step 1. Make sure your phone is still connected via Bluetooth. Step 2. Open media on Tesla screen. Select your phone as the audio source. Step 3. You can now play Lyft directions, handle calls, and control music directly from your Tesla.